So all the images in the slideshow need to be the same dimensions, otherwise they'll bounce around and they won't look right and it won't work correctly. And rather than requiring the site administrators to be cropping all the images in advance, what we're going to do is we're going to add a custom image size, which will handle that process for them. So the add image size function, the first parameter is required is the name. So that's like small, medium, large, etc. And then there's the width and height. Now it's interesting that the width and height are optional. I'm assuming that you're going to want at least one of them. Otherwise, if you don't have at least one of these, there's not really any point of using this function at all. But I could see definitely situations where you might want it to crop to the width but not the height. And then there's the cropping parameter, which is also optional. The default is false. So if you set it to true, it's going to crop it. The default, you just said true, it's going to center it. It's going to crop off the edges, centering it. But you can change the you can add these additional features where you can tell it to crop from the top left or the center or the bottom right, so forth. And then down at the bottom, it has an implementation. Okay, and I put the dimensions of my slideshow right here, so I'm going to paste this in. Okay. And so it's not uncommon for a theme to have multiple custom image sizes that you're using. Oops, missing W. Now adding this image size is going to automatically generate this custom image when new images are uploaded. But for old images, it's not going to have this generated. So if you want to use this custom image size on an image that's already been uploaded, look for a plugin called Regenerate Thumbnails, and you can use that to just add all new thumbnail sizes to a custom image.